Finding a crack in your foundation can feel like a nightmare. You start imagining the house sliding away and your bank account draining. If you discover foundation issues, you might feel like your house is unsellable. But I want to reassure you, we buy homes with foundation problems all the time. In fact, major structural issues are one of the biggest reasons people choose to take a cash offer. Selling a home with a bad foundation on the open market is incredibly tricky. Most traditional buyers get scared off and banks won't even approve a loan for a house with a structural damage. This usually leaves you with only one type of buyer anyway. Investors who might give you a lowball offer. When you work with Kansas City Legacy Properties, we take that stress off your plate. We handle the structural repairs ourselves after we buy it, and you don't have to spend $30,000 on piers or bracing just to get it sold. We'll give you a fair price as is, so you can stop worrying about the ground shifting under your feet. Let us handle the heavy lifting. Visit kclegacyproperties.com.